Hello, my name is Tom Laing, and I'm a real estate agent from the great state of Minnesota. Today, we are going to be talking about downsizing, tips and tricks, how to do it more efficiently, how to do it stress-free, how to save as much money as humanly possible. Let's go. All right, so first, let's talk about the reasons for downsizing. One of the main reasons is maintenance and upkeep. If you have a smaller house, you have less to upkeep. For a lot of people, that is a huge draw. The other thing is health and mobility. Some people, as their health wanes, stairs could be out of the question. They might have a house that's a split level or a two-story or something like that with a lot of stairs. If they don't like stairs anymore, they're going to have to move or figure out a way to have everything on one level. So that is one way to do it. The other thing is liquidating and freeing up all the cash that's in their house so they can live the life that they've always wanted to live. That's a really cool option too. The other thing is snowbirds. Here in Minnesota, I know a lot of people that are snowbirds, and I'm very jealous of them because it's awesome. But a lot of times, snowbirds don't need a big giant house anymore because they're only there 6 months out of the year or a small fraction of the year. And the rest of the time, they're somewhere in the Sun Belt, Florida, Arizona, Texas, something like that. The other reason would be that sometimes a house needs a lot of work and a lot of renovations, and people don't have the means or want to renovate the place that they live in. Kitchens and baths, for instance, if you take out the money in it like a HELOC or a refinance or something like that and use that money to renovate, you have to pay that back. Now, if you move, if you straight up just move, you don't have to pay it back at all. You also don't have to do the work. You hopefully buy a place that already has what you want, it has the renovations in the kitchen and the bathroom or whatever that you want. There's also senior only apartment buildings, there's senior only condo buildings. And sometimes people just want a smaller, more efficient house that is more conducive to the comfort of their lives. All right, a lot of times there is the kids helping the parents move in these situations, and it can be very stressful and really hard on a lot of families. My biggest tip for that is have a plan to purge slowly. Do garage sales. There is straight up junk removal programs like 1-800 Got Junk or stuff like that. There's also professional organizational companies that come in, they disposition everything and come up with a layered, structured process to get rid of things room by room. It's actually really nice and eliminates a lot of the stress, and it's actually very inexpensive. For a lot of people, especially downsizing seniors, this is a very emotional and stressful situation. Moving is stressful anyways. In a lot of these situations, someone passed away, unfortunately, and they have a lot of their stuff still left in the house, and it's just really, really emotional. I think the key for the kids is to be very sympathetic to this and think about the other person's emotions at all times. And I think the best way to do it is to go room to room. I think the best way to do this is just to do one room at a time or even one closet at a time and make a donate pile, a keep pile, and a sell pile. That's the way we did it. This can be a very overwhelming process for a lot of people, and we have to be sympathetic and have empathy for the people that are going through it, the people that are moving. As far as the sell pile goes, there's a company called KBid that will literally come to your house and buy most of the stuff that has any value from you right out of your house, so you don't have to have a garage sale. And then they will auction off everything else, and it's a total win-win deal. So hey, my name is Tom Lang. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, throw it in the column below. Let me know if you guys need anything from me. Again, my name is Tom Lang, and I'm a real estate agent from the great state of Minnesota. Thanks, and have a great day.